back to the Charleston Living with Cindy show. My name is Cindy Sweeney and I serve the amazing people of the Charleston Low Country. Now the weather is starting to change. It's getting a little chillier and people are spending more time inside. So today we're going to talk all about remodeling versus moving. All right. Got to tell you about my daughter. She has a home she bought in Lansing a few years ago. She bought it. It needed a ton of work, but it was definitely livable, you know? So throughout the next couple of years, she transformed it from a home that had been a rental for too many years to count, with only having the minimal amount of maintenance being done before she bought it, to a beautiful, modern, updated, and upgraded home with an amazingly landscaped lawn. She did this all piece by piece, project by project. Now, she has turned it back into a rental because her family needed more space, but still, that home is her first purchase, her first love, and it was her first remodel project. Now she's painting her new one and doing things. So anyway, I'm sure you guys have all seen that TV show where a family's totally outgrown their space, but one of the partners doesn't want to leave, so they decide to renovate. And if the renovations aren't fixing the issue, only then do they move. I'm exhausted just thinking about that, to be honest with you, and let's face it, reality TV isn't always real. Living in a construction zone while shopping for a new house that you might not buy? No way. That's why I recommend doing one or the other, okay? And let's break it down. So a lot of times people get frustrated with their space. They've had another baby, they've fallen out of love with their condo or townhome, or they've started dreaming of retiring in a smaller space near the beach. So whatever the reason, it's very important to first identify why you're considering a move and then go from there. So here's 6 things that I want you to think about. Number 1, can it be fixed easily? If you want an updated kitchen, swapping out fixtures, painting cabinets, and buying new appliances is a pretty easy fix. But if you want a bigger kitchen, you're going to have to move, right? So, number 2, can you deal with contractors? Oh my goodness. Hiring an interior designer or general contractor to manage your project, that'll help. But renovations require you to work with multiple companies and multiple contractors on a daily basis. You'll be dependent on their timeline, their expertise, and their quality of work. Do you want people coming in and out of your home for weeks on end? If not, it may be time to think about moving into a turnkey home, okay? Number 3, can you live in a mess for a while? Renovations can be noisy, dusty, dirty, and already hard to navigate environment. Tools will be everywhere, equipment will be everywhere, and people will be everywhere. Is a renovation going to get in the way of school, work, or travel? If so, something turnkey may be more appealing. Number 4, can you tolerate a move? You may dread the thought of having to pack up your entire home while paying a moving company thousands of dollars to pick up your Aunt Bessie's heirloom armoire and try to make it through the front door. If this sounds like unbearable to you, it may be a cause to stay. Number 5, another cause to stay. Do you love your location? If the view, the zoning, the corner lot, or the amazing neighbors are the reason why you moved to your current house to start with, then moving may not be the answer. In this case, it would be better to renovate the inside of the home to match the amazing benefits of the outside of your home. Am I right? It's up to you. No matter what you decide, it's important to have a really good realtor to help you understand how renovations will affect your home value and help you decide if you're better off packing up and moving to a new space. Guess what? That's where I can help. I have worked with tons of buyers and sellers over the years, so I would be happy to come in, let you know how certain renovations will increase or not your home value money-wise. Only you know what your home value is worth as far as fitting your family's lifestyle. If you do decide that it's time to move, but there are still some renovations you need, I'll be happy to come in and give you my suggestions based on my knowledge of what buyers are looking for in this market right now. Okay? I know, it's hard decisions, right? But at this point, you may be convinced that you need some guidance around the area of renovating a current home versus moving to a new one. But you also may be thinking that you have no idea where to start, right? A lot of people don't. This isn't something they do every day. If you're thinking about making a move, I can help you through the process. Just send me a message or text me at 843-300-2636. Again, that's 843-300-2636. No pressure, no sales tactics, just the help and guidance you need, I promise. Finally, if you are a resident of the Charleston Low Country, I want you to let you know that if you need links to local contractors, etc., you can just YouTube message, Facebook message, or email me at charlestonlivingwithcindy@gmail.com. I'm here to help. Okay, guys? So please feel free to post any questions, any comments, or any concerns in the chat box. I always go back and check the videos after the video is posted so that everyone can learn and get the answers that they need. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next episode of Charleston Living with Cindy. Have a great fall, and I'll see you again soon.